Hi foodies, welcome back again to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to make a simple potato dish with everyday ingredients from your pantry. Now you can make this dish when you're fasting or just as is whenever you feel like, or you can even use it when you are entertaining. It'll be a different dish for your guests. So if you're ready, let me show you how to make it. Come on. Now here I prefer using ghee for its awesome aroma and the taste, but you can still use oil if you like. Let the cumin seeds crackle. I have roasted and skinned the peanuts. These are salted cashews, so I'll just adjust the salt later. Saute continuously for even frying. We need the peanuts and cashews to be crunchy. These are boiled and peeled potatoes and cut into bite-sized pieces. Now we need to mix these well. Now this is roasted peanut powder and I have left the skin on while grinding. This is such a simple dish, but it bursts with flavor. A little coconut milk instead of water will give a nice rich and creamy flavor to the potatoes. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on all the yummy recipes that I post every week. We will cook this for 5 minutes, reducing the flame. Check out the description box for the full recipe. We are almost done here. The fresh grated coconut and fresh coriander leaves for garnish will take this dish to another level of yumminess. Give it a good mix and we are ready to serve this dish. You can have it with plain or seasoned yogurt on the side. Looks awesome, right? Thank you for watching. That was so easy, right? Now these are everyday ingredients from your pantry or easily available ingredients. I will be showing you quick and easy recipes in the future. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you'll get notified with any new recipes that I post every week. And as usual, if you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, show some love, and I'll see you next week. Bye.